What's happening, YouTube? Hey, welcome back to Shit You Don't Want to Do, starring that guy. I'm gonna go ahead and break this down to you. It's an original series now. Anyway, real quick, just wanted to kind of push this out here. This is all my fault completely on this. Of course, I knew better. Anyway, everything was going great as far as the kit installed. Got to tuning it. Ended up doing the air, the fuel, stuff like that. Had it running great. Went to go bring it back up here to this garage because it was heated and it was about 7 degrees outside. And anyway, regardless, heard a clunk. Anyway, let me go ahead and explain to you guys exactly what that clunk was. It has nothing to do with the kit. It had everything to do with my dumbass air. So right here, guys, real important piece right here, your cam chain, your tensioner right here, all right? When you go to reinstall this, I knew better. I told myself to. You guys can probably guess where this is going. I knew to deactivate this thing. All right. Once you take, as far as your Allen key right here, and take this little cap off, you can take a very small flathead screwdriver and it will deactivate this thing. Anyway, I installed it activated. So of course it put nothing but tension. Put nothing but tension on that chain. So what that clunk was the chain completely popping. This right here is exactly what happens when you do not deactivate that cam chain tensioner, all right? That was absolute terrible move by me. I knew better, and a lot of people are probably gonna say, well, if you knew better, why'd you do it? Well, like I said, just wasn't thinking about it, just was got myself in a rush. Big thing, guys, hey, slow down on this stuff. Nothing happened, luckily, with the engine. We got very lucky as far as the valves. Nothing was bent, no scarring, nothing like that on the piston. The valves did not hit the piston, nothing like that. It was just a clean, just clunk, done. Immediately cut the bike off. And anyway, that's what happened. So I've got the bike completely tore back apart. We did inspect the valves here. That was another big thing. We did take everything apart just to check everything. Made sure we didn't have any leaks when everything was on here. Check nothing was bent. We did also take everything apart, ready to replace as far as the new cam chain. We are taking our time here with this one, guys. I don't want to run into anything like this. That's essentially the whole point of this video is guys, take your time. Seriously, if you guys are going to do this, take your time. Yes, I know how to do it. It was a very rookie mistake. It shouldn't have ever happened, y'all. But anyway, you know, shit happens. I'm not gonna hide it from you guys. I could say, yeah, I'm just taking a little bit longer tuning the bike. I'm not, no. I screwed up again. First it was the head stud, or the stud and everything, putting everything back on, over torqued it, snapped one of those. Now, well, ended up blowing a cam chain. Anyway, it's on its way. I've got a new tensioner just as well, just to be on the safe side. Anyway, we've got the clutch basket, all that stuff pulled off. So we're ready just to go ahead and replace it. I will have a video up. That'll just be a general, you know, like not really a maintenance thing, but if you, you end up finding yourself in my situation at any point, at least you guys will know how to do it. So we will end up having a video on that as well. Not by choice. So anyway, stick with us, guys. The parts are on the way. We'll get this thing buttoned back up. I will deactivate the cam chain tensioner. And anyway, we'll get this thing tuned. We do have, as far as good news from our folks over there at Force Cam, who have been absolutely great, by the way. Gave them plenty of laughs here on this bad boy. And they've been absolutely fabulous here through the whole thing, working with me on the tuning and stuff like that. But the English version should be out here very soon. So by the time I get all this stuff done, we should have the English version of the app out, which will make it way easier for me to go ahead and go through with you guys. For you guys to kind of understand and kind of follow along, to get you guys kind of pointed in the right direction, which they're helping me right now as far as getting everything in the right step. So these guys have been phenomenal. Stick with us, guys. I promise you, we are trying to wrap this thing up. We do have our race season coming up here quick. Luckily, we do have about a month. I will miss, unfortunately, the NRA qualifiers for the MSXC Cave City due to the bike not being up. So we will we'll just take the next punch. I believe our first one back is going to probably be the GNCC. So it'll be, I believe it's, let's see, Old Gray in Monterey. So anyway, that'll probably be our first race of the year. So stick with us, guys. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Don't do what I did. Take your time, please. We'll see y'all.